Hi, welcome to our Senior Design Lab. I'm Nick Swartzlander.
I'm Brian Norncott.
And I'm Kyle Dreher.
We're going to talk to you a little bit today about a project we've been working on for about the past 9 months. The name of the project is the Autonomous Robotic Tracker, or ART for short. The overlying goal of this project is to develop a tracking system that is capable of following a person to about a distance of 5 to 10 meters. To accomplish this, what we have done is we have integrated a system of IR and stereo vision or visible light cameras. The visible light or stereo vision cameras are the ones mounted at the bottom, and the IR is the one mounted on top. What the cameras actually are doing is the stereo are finding depth as well as lateral movement, while the infrared camera is finding where the target is that we're tracking in relationship to the stereo images. Overall, this is pretty much a proof of concept project. We believe it will be very effective in tracking a person, and once it is robustly and thoroughly tested, a system like this could very well be used as a whole wide range of applications, almost limitless possibilities, you could say. And with that, I'll turn it over to Brian, who is going to talk a little further about the challenges and whatnot that we face.
All right, yeah, I'm Brian, like I said before, and we are 3 electrical engineering. We are a group of people, and we have been designing this right here. And this has been a very software-driven project. So all of these are being run to a computer, and through that we're using our software, mainly MATLAB, to run all of the images coming through here, analyze them, and detect the distance and the exact location of this person, and where they have moved and where they are going to be moving. So we've done, like I said, we've done most of that in software program called MATLAB. Other than that, everything has been typed up in C or C++. And with that, we have all of our drivers. Now, a driver is just like in Linux, which is the operating system we're running. The drivers all need to be handwritten, or you need to find them online. Unfortunately, we weren't able to find them. So we've been putting lots of time into getting all of these cameras right here, this frame grabber, all to put the images in MATLAB for us, and from there we're working on analyzing and detecting where the people are. That's been one of the biggest projects, learning Linux, learning this new operating system that none of us have really been accustomed to. So from there I'll hand it over to Kyle to tell you about the rest of it.
I'm going to talk about how this has been a unique design experience for all 3 of us. First, it's a very large and pretty complicated project, and it's also research and development oriented, which is sort of a unique design experience. We've used system engineering practices throughout and actively managed our project. And our deliverables will consist of this test setup on the bench, and a real-time tracking system through a user interface written in MATLAB, in which you can see the person's position and depth through the user interface in real time. Ultimately, this system will end up being mounted atop this autonomous robot, and once that is done and interfaced, the system will not only be able to track the position of the user, but will also be able to follow the user's exact path.